you're still throwing that grub, eh?
Me?
No, Nash.
Grub?
Yeah.
It's a paddle tail.
Yeah, mate, it's cold.
Oi!
What the fuck was
What the
that?
fuck was that?
They just snap you off.
Good fish?
No, that was fucking a croc or something, mate. Holy fuck.
It's like awesome little line.
What a cast.
Was it created loop or?
Yeah, that little loop one. You make a small loop, fucking go around it 3 times, go through the bigger loop.
Yeah, it's just a classic. Not.
Oh, yep. Fucking hell. Oh, yep. Oh, Barra. There's a Barra there. She got... And I got that on camera. There's a Barra there. Hey, cast.
Imagine stocking this with bass.
Oh yeah, fucking oath cup.
That'd be sick.
I don't know if they, yeah.
Oh, yep.
Oi, get it in, Nash, get it in, Nash. That's a good barra.
Fuck's sake.
Oi,
Yeah, we'll get us back.
Yep, we'll get us back.
It's got me in the weeds.
Yep, nice sticking, mate.
This is a nice golden Barra right here. Beautiful. Just pulled them out of the snags out of a nice little 3-inch paddle tail. Get them back. Woo! Excited over a tarpon, bro.
Fucking marlin bait cunt.
Dry. Nice golden Barra. I just pulled him out of the weeds. Spearing wasn't filming on the GoPro, but it's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Oh well, that's a wrap.